A Warzone VPN? Yeah, something a lot of Call of Duty players use, but no one's gonna admit it. But the truth is, some best VPN for Warzone picks can actually help reduce lag and even find servers that aren't filled with tons of sweaty players. Okay, big question, can you use a VPN on Warzone? Yep, you can, but the more important question might be how to use a VPN for Warzone. The how, you know? So let's split the answer into two parts. How to reduce lag and how to find low KD lobbies. That's kill-death ratio for you that don't know. Alright, first things first, the lag. Now in some games, it got so bad that I actually got sent straight to the one-on-one arena. Now, since my PC specs are decent, I actually suspected there are 3 other possible causes. My ISP and its throttling, overcrowded servers, or maybe I'm just blaming the lag because I suck. Nah, couldn't be that, could it? Hope not. So, to find out why is my Warzone lagging and to learn how to fix Warzone lag on my PC, I went and tested NordVPN for Warzone. And it got so much better. I mean, come on, just look at this. I got a way smoother playing experience too. The NordVPN Warzone setup was super easy. And since I already use this VPN anyway, yeah, I already know the installation process is going to be very straightforward. Plus, the app looks clean and clear. So, this is actually a great choice for beginners too. Now, if you're playing on a console, well, then you're going to have to connect a VPN to your router. But the setup can get complicated. But hey, if you're up for figuring out and learning more, then you might want to sub to our channel. But for now, let's just figure out the regular no-lag VPN Warzone setup. Okay, the trick here is to Google COD game servers that are closest to you. Then connect to a NordVPN server as close to that game server as possible. Get it? Also, quick tip on how to use VPN Warzone efficiently. Well, make sure you're using the Nordlynx tunneling protocol because that's going to give you the fastest performance and the lowest ping. Now, you can try out other VPNs like Surfshark or IPVanish, but I personally tend to use Nord the most, so there you go. I mean, they do have tons of servers and excellent speeds, which is a great combo for stellar VPN Warzone performance. Just saying. What VPN you choose, though, is up to you. But if you end up deciding that you want NordVPN, well, then you might want to check out those discount links in the description. They're always updated with the most exclusive discounts that we're able to find. Alright, now the game is no longer lagging, let's fix another annoying problem. Yep, a Warzone VPN tutorial on how to get easy lobbies. Because if you want to avoid sweaty players and just chill in some Warzone bot lobbies, VPN can help you do exactly that. But for this, you're going to have to know which VPN locations to connect to. Now, there are 2 ways to get the best Warzone VPN locations. First, switch to a country in a different time zone. Locations where it's early morning, like about 5 a.m., are going to be your best bet. Second, connect to a location with a smaller player base when using your Warzone VPN. Egypt, Canada, Singapore, they all have the reputation of low KD servers. But keep in mind, the further your server is, the higher the ping is going to be. Oh, and at least for right now, Nord doesn't have servers in Egypt. So if you're just absolutely set on playing there, well, you're going to want to try Surfshark. And the Warzone VPN PC setup is just as simple with them as it is with Nord, and with similar performance levels too. So that's how to use a VPN for Warzone. If you found this video helpful, drop us a like and subscribe. If you have any additional questions, use that comment section. Alright, and if you're looking for the absolute best Warzone VPN deal, use that box in the corner. That's all I got for today. I'll see you in the next one.